You open the case expecting to see that charging light, but it never shows up. Your Soundcore earbuds aren't charging, one side might be dead, and the battery percentage just won't move. Before you start searching for replacements, take a breath. Most charging problems are caused by minor issues you can solve at home without special tools. In this video, I'll walk you through simple, safe troubleshooting steps to bring your earbuds back to life. First, check the charging case itself. The earbuds can only charge if the case has power. Open the lid and look at the LED indicator. If there's no light at all, the case battery may be empty. Plug the case into a working wall outlet using a cable and adapter you trust. Weak or faulty chargers can deliver unstable voltage. Wait a few minutes and confirm the LED shows that the case is charging before testing the earbuds again. If the case has power but the earbuds still won't charge, the next step is cleaning the charging contacts. This is the most common reason for charging failure. The small metal connectors on the bottom of the earbuds and the pins inside the case transfer electricity. Dirt, dust, or earwax can block that connection. Use a dry microfiber cloth or a cotton swab lightly dipped in isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the metal contacts on both the earbuds and inside the case. Let everything dry fully before placing them back in. Now check how the earbuds sit inside the case. If they are not seated properly, the contacts won't touch. Remove the ear tips if needed and inspect them. Sometimes larger tips or wings slightly misalign the earbuds. Clean the ear tips with water if necessary. Make sure they are fully dry, then place the earbuds back in carefully. Listen for the magnetic snap and ensure they sit flat and secure. If cleaning and reseating didn't solve it, inspect the charging cable and adapter more closely. Look for bends, cracks, or loose connectors. Even if the cable looks fine, it may not deliver stable power. Try a different compatible cable and adapter. If possible, use the original Soundcore accessories for the best results. If the hardware checks out, move on to resetting the earbuds. Software glitches can interrupt charging or cause incorrect battery readings. Place both earbuds in the case and keep the lid open. Press and hold the case button for more than 10 seconds. Wait until the LED indicators flash, which confirms the reset. Release the button and leave the earbuds inside the case to charge undisturbed for a while. Next, check for a firmware update using the Soundcore app. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause battery imbalance or charging inconsistencies. Open the app, connect your earbuds, and look for available updates. During the update, keep the earbuds in the case with the lid open and wait until the process finishes completely. If only one earbud isn't charging, that's actually very common. In most cases, it's not a failed battery, but a contact issue. Clean the non-charging side again carefully and repeat the reset process. Then place both earbuds in the case and leave them charging for a couple of hours before testing. By following these steps, you've covered the most common charging issues, from dirty contacts to cable and software problems. In most cases, one of these fixes gets your earbuds charging again. If it still doesn't work, it may be a hardware issue that needs service. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes, and let me know in the comments which side wasn't charging. Thanks for watching.